Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are taking a look at a requested deck, the This Might Hurt Tarot by Isabella Rotman, and it is colored by Addison Duke. I believe this retails for $45, however, I am uncertain right now. I will link where you can purchase this down in the description box below. I'm not affiliated, I'm not sponsored, I just want you guys to find what you're looking for and give credit where credit is due. With that being said, let's get into it. The packaging is gorgeous. I absolutely love the black with the gold foiling. It is feeling buttery soft. I love, love, love. And there is a magnetic opening here on the side. Fantastic. No excess. Love. The back says, This Might Hurt Tarot is a modern deck in the Rider-Waite-Smith tradition, keeping time-honored symbolism and imagery, but losing the medieval context. This deck is designed to be both easy to read and highly relatable. Clothing and scenery are modernized, diversity is embraced, and queerness is lovingly acknowledged. So, I'm excited because this seems like it's going to be a very inclusive deck, which I am all about. So let's get into it. I kind of already flipped through the guidebook to see if there was any pertinent knowledge that we needed to know in order to use this deck. And honestly, the only thing that we really need to know is that if gender is not specific to the meaning of the card, gender in the art is fluid or non-existent. So that, my friends, is really exciting because we don't normally get to see a kind of, I'm going to call it a non-binary deck. So that's awesome. So here's the bottom of the card, or the box. And then I'll show you real fast how thick the guidebook is. And there's a lot of information in here to help you if you're a beginner. And then I did want to read real fast. In this deck, gender is fluid. If gender matters symbolically to the meaning of the card, I have retained the gender expressed in the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. If gender doesn't matter to the symbolic meaning of the card, I may have changed it or removed any gender clues. And so she also says masculine and feminine mean a set of traits that have been assigned as masculine or feminine in the tradition of tarot. And when I say man or woman, I'm referring to the gender of the character in the card, not their biological sex. So don't assume because a gender is, or excuse me, don't assume because a character has a clearly defined gender that they are cis. So that being said, this is kind of awesome. So there are no reversed meanings in this deck either. And I think that was all I wanted to touch on with this guidebook. And then we'll go a little bit deeper with we'll pull a card after we shuffle and to see how it reads in the guidebook. Also, take a look at the black foiling on this card. I love. So you can choose between the black or like a pearl. And since I never experienced a black hollow card edging before, I decided to go with the black. So love that. And here's the back of the card. And let's get into it, shall we? All right. So right off the bat, I'm really loving this art style. This looks like San Francisco down here, but I could be wrong. Look at his cute little face. All right, so the borders actually don't bother me at all. And real fast, let's take a little peek at the cardstock. It's very sturdy. It feels very nice. It's matte. Also, it's flexible, but it snaps back. Look at that. So that's really awesome to see. Love that. It feels like really good quality. I feel like this is kind of like the cardstock that you can know that will last through a lot of tarot card shuffling. All right, and here we go. Oh, stunning. Look at that. Oh, wow. I really love this art style. It's fun, yet you feel like you can connect with it very easily. It's not intimidating. Really like this. The borders don't bother me. It's numbered up there so you can see clearly. Awesome. Oh, that's an interesting lover's card. Very cool. Oh, I love. So we still have the black and white. That is really cool. Oh. Oh, very neat. I love that it's a jacket and not a cloak. That's kind of fun. Look at the collar. Ah, love. Okay, so this is a very comforting feeling deck. Really do like it. Look at death. Oh my goodness. Wow. This has like a little bit of the modern witch tarot like kind of feel to it, with it being more modern, and the art style is a little similar. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Literally cannot get any clearer with the meaning of this card. Oh my gosh. But yeah, it feels more, because it is not as feminine like the Modern Witch deck, this feels more accessible for a lot more people. Oh, how fun. Look at that. Cute. Ooh, I really like this Judgment card. Very cool. Wow. All right. Into the minor we go. Oh, I like this. Oh. Fighting over sticks. Cute. I like that all of the background colors are similar. Ooh, really like this Eight of Wands. Oh, that's different. Oh, little ukulele. Cute. Oh, we still have the little black cat. Love it. Nice. All right. Oh, we got cups. That's so pretty. And I have to say, these cards feel so nice in your hand. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. Look at their coffee cups. Oh my gosh. Fun. Oh, and they're in a pumpkin patch. I love. Oh my gosh. If there was a more relatable card for my life, it's all of us hanging out, celebrating over coffee cups. I love that so much. This is fun. Oh, I love the plants. Oh, more plants. Oh my goodness, love this. That's really neat how there's a few smashed. Oh, that's precious. Cute. Instead of in a cup, it's in a little bag. Oh. I'm loving the themes with the coffee cups just in the suit. That's so much fun to me. And I love that so far the knights have been on motorcycles. That was my dog, if you heard weird noises. Oh, that's so cute. All right, swords. Similar backgrounds. I really like that, the cohesiveness of it. Oh, I have to say, this is like the only card where I'm like, oh my god. Oh, I like this one. I like how they've done the water. It's very dynamic. Interesting. I kind of like that. I honestly feel, without reading anything from the guidebook, that this could be very beginner friendly. I feel like the imagery definitely allows you to pick up on the energy of the card and figure it out. I think the only cards that might have a hard time, and it's usually always this way, is the court cards. But even so, I still feel like you can kind of pick up on it intuitively. Oh my goodness, the glasses I love. I have to say, it has everything for me that I'm looking for. It has, oh my gosh, look at that. It has diversity, it has inclusivity, it has body positivity, it's got different age groups. I mean, I'm really impressed. Easy to read, pick up on the energy. Oh, I love this. Love. Oh. So I've been really impressed with the indie decks that I've reviewed the last couple times. So this, the Super Lunaris, the Modern Love Tarot. Been really impressed with all of the points that I hit on earlier. This is what we are all looking for in 2021 and beyond. Tarot is for everyone. Representation matters. And then not only just for yourself, but if you read for clients too, it's important. Love this Queen of Pence. Love it. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, it's really smooth. I really like this. Do not have an issue whatsoever. Can I get a card, please, to read? It's very smooth. Oh, there we go. We're going to read for 8 of Pentacles. All right. Very cool. I'm assuming it's in the back. Yes, here we go. All right, the Apprentice. A man labors over the creation of 8 coins. The task takes up all of his attention and he is absorbed in his work. I call the 8 of Pentacles the Apprentice card because an apprentice, whether actual or metaphorical, is learning skills with diligent determination to become a master in his craft. In some cases, the 8 of Pentacles simply speaks to the satisfaction of creating something with your hands and encourages you toward tactile creative pursuits. I based the figure in this card on a friend of mine who was an apprentice machinist at a shipyard and taught classes at his local makerspace cooperative. He worked hard and took great satisfaction from making things with his hands. Even if I hadn't seen this friend in years, he'd greet me with a handmade gift. Oh, that's so sweet. If this card comes up in a reading, you need to put in the work to hone your skills. While the day-to-day labor or education may get boring, it will be worth it. If you are not currently engaged in any apprentice-like activities, such as education, work, or learning a craft, the 8 of Pentacles is probably suggesting that you should be. I really like that they have, like a title for it, and how they based it on a friend, and they really give you a background with it. That is really nice. Yeah, looking through, they do that with all of the cards. This is really cool. So, is it beginner friendly? I think so. I think this is a great way to learn because you have a story to put to the card to give you a kind of background with it. The artwork is gorgeous. It's inclusive. Like, there's not much more I have to say. Like, I don't really have any complaints. And again, if you want reversed card meanings, you can always find them in a book or online. And again, furthering your education beyond just the guidebook and the book is fantastic too. So, I am really excited to start using this. I feel like this is a great all-around deck, a great deck for clients, a great deck for you personally. I think if you are one that likes all of the things that I have mentioned, this is going to be a great deck for you. It shuffles really nice. I feel like it will hold up, and I really like how creative the foiling is, and I like just... I'm going to stop now because now I'm rambling. But let me know what you think about it down in the comment section below. Do you think it is something that you would like to have in your collection? Or do you think, it's not really for me? Let me know what you think. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending your time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.